everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here, the FPV Monkey, and I'm here in town at the local river spot. So we're going to be testing out some more of the R9 dipole antenna, the T antenna, the Immortal T. So it did really good on my 7-inch quad, so I'm trying it on my Freestyle quad now. So I figured what better place. I've got some really cool spots here, a tree, there's a river that flows right over there, so but there's some tubers, so I gotta kind of be careful. But anyway, hope you enjoy the footage.